Philip and Austin are gonna go take the fish guts to the other side so that the turtles stay away from our fishing area.
You don't want the fish guts?
No, I don't.
Let's go here about 5 more minutes and then let's go over to where Steve's got the one line. And then maybe they'll move in over there.
Herbert can have them. I don't want them.
What are you doing, Austin?
She's the one who
What?
loves.
What are you gonna do now?
Pour fish guts in the water for the turtle.
Go across over to that rock point on the other side.
You getting your feet wet?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Oh, well, then get in.
Is that too heavy for you?
Did you guys go out in the canoe?
Bye!
Go, Austin!
I like your seat.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hold tight, because you know Uncle Philip's a crazy driver.
His name is Rudder.
Oh yeah, that's right.
We don't go anywhere. I just rudder, so it's up to you to paddle.
Which way you going, Austin?
Rock over there. Yeah.
Okay.
Where it kind of comes out to the shore.